fellow couponers, I just got home from the store and I'm going to submit some receipts to Ibotta, which is a couponing app. So I thought that I would go ahead and show you guys the differences between submitting a receipt from CVS versus submitting a receipt from Walmart for Ibotta. So Ibotta, like I said, is a couponing app. This is the couponing app here. Alright, so when you first download Ibotta, it will have a lot of options. Here's the home screen. And then you choose certain stores that you're going to shop at. So like Walmart, CVS, Target, all that kind of stuff. And then when you can go in, you can view all the rebates that are going on at Walmart. And then you can do, you know, the For You, Buy It Again, What's Hot, New Offers, Dairy and Eggs, Pantry. You can break it down if you don't want to scroll. So in order to redeem a rebate, you have to have already checked it off. So let me find one that I haven't checked off. So for example, if I was going to get this Purina dog food, I have to hit that plus sign and hit the add $2 cash back, which you can do before or after you're at the store. The other thing you want to do is check product barcode. So when you're in store, you want to check the product barcode. So we'll go ahead and do that with the Talenti, which is what I'm going to get a rebate for. So this is the Talenti gelato or sorbet. On frozen items, sometimes it can't read the UPC if it's got the frost thing going on. So hit check product barcode, scan the code, and then we know that that fits. Okay, so right now this is going to be a good thing to watch if you aren't totally familiar with Ibotta, because I'm going to do a multiple redemption rebate here too, because there's going to be two. I bought two Talentes. As you can see, they were $3.98 each, so about $8. But then I used one of these $4 off 2 coupons that they have on coupons.com right now. They also have a $1.75 off 1. So if we go in, and then they're going to give me $3 back for buying those two, because I get $1.50 back for each one. And the way that you know that it can be redeemed 3 times is that little dollar icon there, and then obviously it's expiring soon. So I've already done this rebate a couple times. That's the other thing, is sometimes rebates will re-enter your Ibotta after they've been in, like after it's been 24 hours. So in order to get this rebate, Walmart is my favorite. If this will scan, this little QR code will scan, it is the best. So all you do is you hit redeem. Sorry about my camera shaking. I need to change the settings on it. And then you just hold this over the receipt and it sees it. And then it says pending offers, 2 matched offers. And it counted the 2 Talenti. Super easy, right? Super easy. I didn't even have to scan the Talenti. Hit purchase, $3. So the Talenti cost $8, right? The $3.98 times 2. But I basically got $7 back because I used $4 in store, and then I'm going to get $3 here. So both of those, 50 cents or $1 together. Alright, now look at the difference between doing a CVS rebate. CVS needs to step up their game to make it easier like Wally World does. Alright, so these 3 items are currently on Ibotta for a rebate, and I've already checked them off. So you can also do, like if you're going to go to the store and find offers, you could always, like if you're like, oh, I like that Colgate Enamel Health, I'll go get what that girl on YouTube was buying. Then you can type in Colgate, and then it will find what current Colgate offers are available. Oh, and that didn't show up for CVS. Uh-oh, we'll see what happens. Actually, let me look at my offers. Okay, so the ones that I've already clicked with and then had the green little check mark are going to be here under CVS. Look, yes, I have the Enamel Health, I've got the Sensitive, and I've got the the scope. And then also sometimes they have these any rebate. So I'll also redeem this one. I think the purpose of these is just to track what people are buying. And sometimes they have an any receipt rebate too, but that wasn't there earlier. And again, you can just type in any, and then if you scroll down, you can get 25 cents on any antacid, any diapers, asparagus, sweet potatoes, etc., etc. But there's usually one for a receipt, and that's not there. Okay. So, we want to hit redeem like we did with Wally World. It's going to be a little bit different though, a little bit more time consuming. So it says the rebate has to be from CVS. The date has to be between the 18th and today, basically a 7-day window, and then capture the full receipt. Okay. All right. So then I just scan the receipt. All right, that's captured. We'll hit finish. And then on here, it doesn't read the receipt like it does the Walmart receipt with the QR code, so you have to mark what you got. So I got the toothpaste. I got Colgate Enamel Health. So then it's going to ask me to scan that UPC code on there to confirm that that's what I bought and that it was the right item. So that's that one. Then here's the Colgate mouthwash. And then lastly is the Colgate Enamel Sensitive. Whoa. Okay. All right. So those are those three on that one. And then we can hit add purchase. So those 4 items, because it had the any rebate, are all on there, and collect all 4 purchases. So the cool thing about Ibotta is obviously you can use coupons in the store and then come home and do the rebates. And then also the fact that I did get extra care bucks back from buying these items. Sometimes also earlier this week, the couponing app Saving Star had a rebate for the Talente Gelato as well. So I got an additional rebate and actually ended up making money from buying the gelato. Sometimes they have blueberry rebates. Sometimes they have that any banana rebate, so I could get 25 cents back on those. Done. If we go into the Ibotta My Account, you'll see that I have saved almost $1,900 since I started Ibotta. And then my pending earnings is at $375 that I just submitted. The Walmart one goes through super fast. If the QR code works, sometimes you have to do the manual way, like I just did with CVS. If the receipt didn't print correctly, or if the receipt is out of ink or something, then it can't read the QR code and you won't get the rebate as fast. So then once you get to at least $20, you can withdraw cash. You can have it sent to PayPal, Venmo, and then you can get various gift cards. These gift cards aren't lit up because they have a $25 minimum, but the ones that have a $20 minimum are ready to go. They also have bonuses that are available. So there are monthly bonuses, referral bonuses, and whatnot. So our referral code I will include in the title and the description of this video, as well as the comment section. You can become a member of my Ibotta team, and then I will get $5. And I think it varies on what you get, but basically you get $5 or $10 depending on the promo they have going on when you upload your first rebate. So when you buy your first Talente Gelato and scan your Walmart receipt, then you will get your $5 rebate. So right now they've got this Weekend Warrior going on that is 12. I have to get 12 offers. Now that 2-on-1 thing that I got, these are only going to count for 2 or for one offer. Even though I got 2, it was one offer with multiple redemptions. These, however, are 1, 2, 3. So tonight I've scanned for 4 redemptions. So probably by tomorrow this will say that I had 4 of 12 offers. And it also looks like I'm close to August level 2, which is, yeah, I'll get that. So I'll get an extra $1 because through this month so far I've redeemed almost the 12 offers. And as you can see, the team is important because your team has to earn $12 in order for you to get the other half of it when you redeem your 12 offers. And these bonuses vary by user. They vary by month. All these bonuses vary depending on your account. These kind of generalized ones. The more specific ones, like when you buy 2 Fordo coffee shots, I think everybody has that one. Alright guys, so that's Ibotta. It is cool. I love it. It's one of my favorite couponing apps. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to ask. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Helps my channel grow and helps me take the time to bring you more videos like this. Let me know if I forgot to explain anything, and I'll see you.